Transitions.
In the middle of all the mess.
Video editors use common transition to engage an audience. One of the examples can be found as cuts. In my music video, I used cuts that goes from one subject to another, like this one. Another movie example that shows cuts or much action cuts can be found in this type of film, like this one.
Scott! What? You only played one note for that entire song.
One of my short films I use much action cut can be found around here, like this one.
Are you with me? Yeah.
Yeah, how am I doing? Great.
Different types of much cuts.
A funny sense of fun.
What the heck? That's my photo.
Drawing from friends and family.
There are different types of cuts and transition that is used in movies, like this one. Like that one.
We'll continue our discussion of nonverbal signals tomorrow.
Video composition.
Hey! It's Jack. You remember me, right?
See how the rule of thirds, the line on the top,
How you doing?
is directly above the eye line of a person.
Yeah, how am I doing?
See how the rule of thirds bottom line is almost directly on the eye line of a person, creating this nice composition.
So things got better.
I hope you get the idea.
Sorta.
Sounds. Sound is the most important component when it comes to making a stunning video. I hope you get the idea.